hope you guys all find yourselves well. So tonight, I am going to be making dinner. Why? Because my family is hungry and I need to cook something. So yesterday I was talking with some friends and I was telling them how I'm gonna prepare some Spam, eggs, and rice for tomorrow, which is today, for my family, because that's the most easiest meal that we can whip together super fast and it tastes good. But we're gonna do it with a twist. So I went to Sam's today and I found some imitation crab. We're gonna use this. We are going to shred this up nicely and make something of like a spicy mayo crab to go on top of it. And the twist is this. We're gonna take our Spam and we're gonna deep fry it. I mean, we are going to deep fry it. We are going to coat it in some panko and we're gonna stick it in the deep fryer and we're gonna put some rice and an egg and everything on top and it's gonna be great, okay? Are you guys ready? Come along, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shred our crabs. Okay, we're gonna take it and we're gonna just shred up the pieces. What we wanna do is we wanna make it stringy. So we're just gonna string it along. We're gonna do our spicy mayo. Okay, this is how I normally do my spicy mayo. So we're gonna do that. Some Sriracha, and we're just gonna squeeze around, however much you want, it doesn't matter. That was just some garlic. So I usually add garlic to mine. Then I'm gonna add some little bit of onion powder. You make your spicy mayo the way you want to, because why? That's your business. You do whatever you want, okay? I added a little bit of salt. We're gonna add just a little bit of vinegar for some acidity, okay? Some sugar, because we're gonna sweeten it up. So we're gonna add some sugar, okay? To sweeten that spicy mayo up. And we're just gonna whisk it together. Spicy mayo, done. Spam, okay? 25% less sodium. I don't know if that really matters or not, but hey, looks good. So we're gonna take our Spam and we're gonna do this, okay? And because I am a family of 6, we are going to do 2 spoons, okay? Because I usually average out 2 slices of Spam each. We're gonna need some good old all-purpose flour, right? So we're gonna take our flour. We're just gonna use a 1/4 cup of flour. 1/4 cup of flour, and we're gonna put it in the bowl, just like that, okay? Then we're gonna take another bowl, and we are going to crack an egg. 1 egg, okay? Now, whisk that up, okay? Just like that. Just like that, okay? That's done. Here we go. So I always like to put my stuff in order on how I'm gonna do it. And we're gonna do flour, egg, then the breading. The breading here will be our panko crust. We're gonna need some panko bread crust, okay? I'm not gonna season my panko because if you know anything about Spam, Spam is very salty. It has a ton of sodium. And there we go. We're just gonna lay it out. Layer it just like that, okay? That's good. That's great. So here we go. We're gonna take a Spam, dump it in flour first, okay? Dump it in the flour. Then we're gonna put it in the egg. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. I'm just like, I can't wait. And while that's going, I've already preheated my wok to a medium. Probably if you have numbers on yours, put it on to like number 6. So that way it's ready to fry. And you coat it nicely. Look at that. I mean, hello. This is what we're going to be frying. That's what your Spam should look like, little patties. They kind of look like little hash brown patties from McDonald's, don't they? All right, now we are gonna fry these babies up. All right, guys, now that we have our Spam nicely breaded, what we're gonna do is now we're gonna fry it. But before we fry it, I wanna make sure that my oil is to temperature and it's good frying. Dip it slightly in there and you see that, and it won't take long to cook. Okay, just like that. Let's just fry it probably maybe a minute, 2 minutes. Look at that. Doesn't need a lot of time to fry up, okay? Look at that. They literally look like little hash browns. All right, guys, so we're done frying our Spam, and now we're gonna do some fried eggs. So we're just gonna crack our egg and slowly put it in there. There you go, and let it fry just like that, okay? And it's gonna get a little messy and a little bubbly, but guess what? Who cares? Not everything has to be perfect, right? As long as our food tastes good. So now we're ready to assemble our Spam rice bowl, okay? Our rice is nice and done. We're gonna take a scoop of rice, or however much you want, to be honest with you, just like that, okay? And now, remember our crab from earlier, our imitation crab. We're gonna take that spicy mayo. We are gonna actually do this, okay? Just like that. And we're gonna mix it, okay? Mix it up. Let every piece of crab have some spicy mayo on it. It's going to look like this. So now that we have that, we are going to take a fork, spoon, and we're just gonna, there you go, base it on top. Okay, great. Take your Spam, you can put 1 or 2, however many you want. And we got our Funky Cloud fried eggs, okay? We're gonna take 1, just like that, right? And I love me some crispy onion. If you do not have this stuff, go get it. It is golden. I mean, you can even eat it with just rice and some butter. And I'm gonna put some crispy onion on the top, just like that, however much you want. I like a lot, so I'm gonna put a lot. And then, to finish it off, we're gonna drizzle some spicy mayo, just like that. Oh my goodness, look at how good that is. Look at that. That is so easy to make, just like that, okay? I'm gonna taste it because we have to taste it. Make sure that it's good. We're gonna get that yolk from the egg. That's gonna be fantastic. And then, do you hear that crunch? I mean, we can do an ASMR video out of this. This would be amazing. My kids would love that, right? Let's just taste it. This is really good. I'm crying because it's good. You guys have to try this. You have to try making this at home. Thanks so much for coming into my kitchen, and this is exactly what's cooking Coco. See you guys next time. Bye.